How to transfer from BDO to CIMB Bank. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer money from BDO to CIMB Bank using the BDO app. So first, launch the BDO mobile app on your device. From the main menu, tap Send Money. Under the options, select to the other banks and wallets. Then tap the Buy a non-BDO account number, type CIMB in the search bar and select CIMB Bank. Now, input the CIMB Bank account number and account name of the recipient. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. Then make sure all the information is correct before proceeding. Then tap Send, then Confirm to complete the transfer. Now, you have successfully transferred funds from your BDO to CIMB Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.